In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best salad spinners in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these salad spinners, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Aqsa Good Grips. The Aqsa Good Grips is a budget salad spinner that has been in the market for a couple of years, but users are still continuously purchasing it due to the fact that this unit can beat many mid-range and high-end salad spinners with its performance. This model has a transparent body, which means that you will always be able to have a clear sight, as the salad is dried, so if you're a gourmand who wants to experiment new recipes, you will love having it. In addition, the Good Grips salad spinner comes with a handsome, flat lid, which has a patented brake design, as the manufacturer calls it, and what's interesting about this design is that there is a push-button brake that will turn the spinner off anytime you want. Well, if you ask me, this is more than useful, because you will always have your salad dried, exactly as you'd expect. Moving on, this unit is extremely easy to use, since all you have to do is just push the circular, black-colored button, and that's it. You can even use only one hand without any problem. When it comes to the cleaning process, the Aqsa Good Grips is more than easy to clean, due to the fact that the lid as well as the spinner's interior will let you clean it in depth, with only a few swipes. I would also like to inform you that for its set price, this model is very spacious, or to be more precise, its 6.22 quarts bowl will offer you enough room to store all of your vegetables and fruits if you'd wish, and the end result will be a tasty and healthy salad that will boost your energy like never before. Finally, according to the users, once you set the lid would sit fixed in place during the operation, which is really cool, while on the other side, thanks to its construction, you can use the spinner for many years, for your ultimate experience. To conclude, if you're looking for a budget salad spinner that looks and performs like a premium one, then the Aqsa Good Grips would be your choice. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Westmark Germany Fortuna. The Westmark Germany Fortuna is a result of a German engineering, which as we all know, has never failed in terms of durability and performance, regardless of the type of the product. The same thing is with Fortuna, which can be considered as one of the best multifunctional food spinners. The Fortuna is available in 5 different colors from which you can choose the one that suits your tastes and kitchen decor, starting from the red-colored, which we are currently reviewing, the green, the dark red, the full apple green, and the apple green. But, regardless of your choice, all of them share the same functionalities, so you can't go wrong with your decision. First of all, I would like to inform you that the spinner's construction is dishwasher safe, and therefore, you won't have any troubles with cleaning. On the other side, this unit comes with an ergonomic, reliable spin mechanism, which will make sure that you will be able to pour your liquid out without putting any effort at all. At the bottom of the spinner, there are 4 non-slip feet, which will provide a greater level of stability during the spinning process, because they will prevent the Fortuna from moving around, and this is really important, especially with the spinners. Moving on, the internal storage is rated at 5 liters, which is good enough to accommodate everything that you intend to store, so as you can see, you will not feel restricted with anything. I would also like to inform you that its removable basket has 2 functionalities. The first is to serve as an ordinary basket, while the second is that you can use it as a colander as well, so you will taste the benefits of having a versatile salad spinner. When it comes to the usage, users claim that its ergonomic handle can last for a really long period of time, due to the fact that it is sturdy even though it is plastic, so nothing could stop you from having the ideally dried salad. Overall, the Westmark Germany Fortuna deserves your attention, because it looks as good as it performs, and if you ever decide to purchase it, I doubt that you will ever regret that decision. Next up, at number 3, we have the Silas Swift Dry. The Silas Swift Dry would be an ideal option for you, if you want to invest in a 100% BPA-free salad spinner, that combines an attractive look and affordable price, with a powerful performance, that makes the spinner a real steal. That's why, let's get quickly into action and find out what's so special about this unit. The Swift Dry is available in 2 sizes, such as the small and the large, but today, we are going to make an overview about the large one, because it doesn't differ much regarding the price, when you compare it with the one that is smaller in size. As I've stated at the beginning, this model has a BPA-free construction that is accompanied by a handsome, green lid, which is not only easy to clean, but it can also separate itself, with the intention to let you clean it properly, and easily. At the top of the lid, there is a lock button, which is really useful, due to the fact that once you take an advantage of it, the lid won't move during the spinning sessions on one side, while on the other, it will preserve the freshness and store the leftovers, which is really cool. When you open the box, you will also find a serving bowl, and if you ask me, this is surely a great addition, because you will be already equipped with everything needed, before you start spinning your salad, and have it ready to eat. In addition, the Silas Swift Dry also has a so-called aqua vent rigid basket, which does its job perfectly fine when it comes to the water removal, and most of the users agreed with this statement, so I think that you will see by yourself if you ever decide to get this spinner. Moving on, Swift Dry is very easy to use, and it is exceptionally practical, due to the fact that it has a stop button, so you can stop its performance anytime you want. To conclude, I strongly recommend you consider the Silas Swift Dry, because it doesn't cost a fortune, and when you compare its price with its performance, it means that it justifies its price tag, and offers even more value. Moving on, at number 2, we have the PYKAL Salad Spinner. The PYKAL Salad Spinner would be a really good option for you, if you're looking for a salad spinner that can output high spin speeds, with the intention to make your user experience as convenient as possible. Moving on, the colander basket is spacious, or if we talk in numbers, it has 6.34 quarts of capacity, which means that you can dry a greater amount of salad, and as you know, each of us is keen toward this. But what got my attention the most regarding its design, is the push lever technology, as well as the push handle, which undoubtedly play a huge role in the spinning process. Let's start with the push lever technology. Well, this technology makes the spinner highly effective in the drying process, since in only a couple of minutes, your salad will be dried and prepared for serving. On the other side, the push lever is easy to use, and during the spinning process, it won't cause you a hand strain, which is always welcome, due to the fact that everyone deserves to have a comfortable and convenient user experience. But that's not all. The PYKAL is extremely stable as well, thanks to its stainless steel non-slip base which is covered with rubber, so as you can see, this unit will stay fixed in place, as it spins your salad. However, take in mind that the manufacturer recommends you not to overfill the colander with salad, because if you fill it completely, this will affect the spinning process, which translates in a slower drying time, so store only as much as you would eat. Before we end, I'd like to inform you that you can use this unit as a salad tosser, veggie spinner, salad washer, as well as for pasta, beans, broccoli and more, so I have to admit that this unit is exceptionally versatile. Overall, the PYKAL Salad Spinner is worthy of considering, so check it out and assure yourself of its potential. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aqsa Steel. The Aqsa Steel would be an ideal option for everyone who is looking for a salad spinner that radiates with style and trustworthy performance, and that's maybe the reason why it is so heavily in demand. The Aqsa Steel, as the name states, has a stainless steel body that consists of a 6.34 quarts stainless steel bowl that has a non-slip base, a 4.95 quarts basket, and a patented pump mechanism that has proven as maybe the biggest highlight due to its tremendously effective capabilities. At the top of the lid, you can notice the presence of a black-colored brake button, which will equip you with a greater control over the spinner, since you can stop its performance anytime you want. In addition, the Aqsa Steel is easy to use as well, and according to the manufacturer, you can operate it with only one hand, which speaks a lot about the convenience you will have in return, while using the spinner. But that's not all. The Aqsa has yet another thing that will enhance your overall control over the device, and that's the lid's transparent color. To be more precise, since the lid is transparent, that by default means that you can see the progress of the stored salad, so you will always know when it is time to take it off. I would also like to add that the technology that this spinner uses is specifically designed to output the most efficient and most effective salad drying without decreasing the quality of the food you store, so you shouldn't worry literally about anything. In terms of cleaning, the Aqsa Steel is exceptionally easy to clean, thanks to its construction, and users claim that they didn't have any hard time while cleaning the spinner. As a matter of fact, with only a few swipes, the Aqsa Steel will shine with elegance. To conclude, you should definitely take the Aqsa Steel into a consideration, because it has everything needed that guarantees a convenient user experience and a quality drying performance. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these salad spinners, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.